Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for ways to build a steady income stream without exposing yourself to high risk, you've come to the right place. Today, we're exploring 10 safe passive income investments that can help secure your future. And the best part? They won't keep you up at night worrying about market swings. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more smart financial tips. 1. High-yield savings accounts. First up is the high-yield savings account. Unlike your typical savings account, these accounts offer higher interest rates and are fully FDIC insured, meaning your money is safe. They're perfect for short-term savings goals and offer easy access to your funds. Key point: think of it as your financial safety net that earns more while keeping your cash liquid. 2. Certificates of deposit, CDs. Next on the list are certificates of deposit, or CDs. When you open a CD, you agree to lock your money away for a fixed period in exchange for a guaranteed interest rate. They're low risk and ideal for investors who don't need immediate access to their funds. Engaging element: imagine watching your savings grow with a predictable, steady interest rate, all without daily market volatility. 3. Money market accounts and funds. Money market accounts provide a hybrid between checking and savings, offering competitive interest rates while giving you check-writing privileges. They're designed to offer stability and accessibility, making them a solid choice for risk-averse savers. Quick tip: keep these accounts as part of your emergency fund while still earning a bit more on your cash. 4. U.S. Treasury bonds. For a secure, government-backed option, U.S. Treasury bonds are a classic. These bonds are considered among the safest investments available, as they're backed by the full faith and credit of the U.S. government. Insight: they provide a reliable income stream, perfect for long-term investors looking for stability. 5. Municipal bonds. Municipal bonds, often issued by local governments, are not only safe, but can also offer tax advantages. The interest earned is frequently exempt from federal and sometimes state and local taxes. Fun fact: this means your income might actually be tax-free, boosting your overall return. 6. Dividend-paying stocks. While stocks generally carry more risk, dividend-paying stocks from established, blue-chip companies can offer a stable stream of income. These companies have a track record of distributing a portion of their profits back to shareholders. Key reminder: always do your research and choose companies with a solid history of reliable dividends. 7. Index funds and ETFs. Index funds and exchange-traded funds, ETFs, are perfect for those who want diversification without the hassle of picking individual stocks. By tracking a broad market index, you reduce risk through diversification and benefit from long-term market growth. Takeaway: they offer a set-it-and-forget-it approach to investing, ideal for building wealth passively. 8. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. REITs allow you to invest in real estate without the headaches of property management. They pay out most of their taxable income as dividends, which makes them an excellent source of steady passive income. Engagement tip: picture owning a piece of high-end commercial property without ever needing to fix a leaky faucet. 9. Fixed annuities. For those looking for guaranteed income, fixed annuities provide a reliable payment stream in exchange for a lump sum investment. They're designed to offer stability and are especially attractive for retirees seeking predictable cash flow. Quick insight: while annuities can be complex, a well-structured fixed annuity can serve as a cornerstone for a secure retirement plan. 10. Treasury Inflation-Protected Securities. TIPS. Lastly, TIPS are U.S. government securities designed to protect your investment from inflation. They adjust with the rising cost of living, ensuring your purchasing power remains intact over time. Final note: TIPS combine safety with the added benefit of inflation protection, making them an intelligent option for conservative investors. There you have it, 10 safe passive income investments that you can't afford to miss. Whether you're just starting out or looking to diversify your portfolio, these options offer a mix of security and steady returns. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more insightful content on personal finance and investing. Remember, securing your future is all about making informed, confident decisions today. Thanks for watching, and here's to a safer, more prosperous tomorrow.